Mohammad Shoyur Rahman, Assistant Professor of English, Daulatpur College. I have come from the University of Dhaka. I welcome you to third year English classes. I will discuss antonym and synonym and its uses. Suppose antonym, at first you will have to think that noun will be turned to noun, adjective will be adjective, adverb will adverb, adverb will adverb, and you will have no scope of changing the parts of speech. Suppose adore means love. Adore means love. Adore is a verb. Love is also a verb. Adore is a verb. If you use a noun, then you will have to think that you are mistaken. That means verb will be verb, noun will be noun, adjective will be adjective, adverb will adverb, and you will have to make a meaningful correct sentence. Then you will have good marks. But suppose you have changed the word, you have written similar word, but you did not make a correct sentence, you will deserve no credit. Such as adore means love. The sentence may be, I adore my mother. If I make sentence with love, then it will be, I love my mother. Detrimental, another word, detrimental, another word, detrimental means harmful, Detrimental is an adjective, harmful is also an adjective, Detrimental is an adjective, its similar word is harmful. You will have to make a correct meaningful sentence, detrimental or harmful, such as smoking is detrimental to health. Smoking is detrimental to health, or smoking is harmful to health. Another word, admit, means confess. Its Bengali meaning is admit মানে স্বীকার করা বা ভর্তি হওয়া, confess মানে স্বীকার করা, admit. You will have to make a correct and meaningful sentence with admit or confess. If you try to make a sentence admit, he admitted that he was guilty. Or he confessed that he was guilty, or he confessed his guilt. Admit means, its meaning bharti hawa. You can make a sentence admit, he got himself admitted into the Dhaka University having finished HSC examination. Similarly, we can learn antonym. Antonym means opposite word. Antonym means opposite word. You will have to you must make a sentence with opposite word, such as love. Its opposite word is hate, disdain, denounce, dislike, etc. So you will have to make the sentence with the opposite word. Adore, its opposite word is hate. If you try to make a sentence with hate, I hate you. Another opposite word is disdain. I disdain you. Another word is denounce. I denounce you. Another opposite word is detest. I detest you. All these sentences are correct, but your opposite word is correct, but your sentence is incorrect. You will deserve no credit. No faulty answer will deserve any credit. So at first you will have to guess, at first you will have to understand what's the meaning of the main word. You will have to write the opposite word, and in terms of antonym you will have to make sentences with the opposite words. Another, gigantic, small, little, gigantic means gigantic means bishal বা বড়. Its opposite word is small or little. If you want to make a sentence with a small, you have to understand that gigantic is an adjective. Its opposite word is small. Small is also an adjective. You will have to make sentence in terms of antonym with a small or little, such as Bangladesh is a small country. She is a little girl. There is little water in the pond. Understand? If you don't understand anything, you please ask me openly so that I can help you in all cases. As English is a difficult subject, many of you think English as an difficult subject. Now I am going to discuss about coronavirus. Corona is an infectious disease. Corona is an infectious disease. It is well known all over the world. Corona is a life-taking disease. It has already taken away more than 4 lakhs of valuable lives from the world. Those who are not careful about the danger of coronavirus, he may be infected with corona. An infected man is more dangerous than coronavirus, because so many people, the more people will come into contact with the coronavirus patient, all the people will be infected with corona. So I advise you, according to the WHO, World Health Organization, in order to remain safe from the danger of coronavirus, at first you will have to stay home and save yourself Whenever you go out, you will have to use mask. Its treatment is very difficult, so everybody should have minimum knowledge of coronavirus. So stay at home and save yourself. Again, I come back to simple, complex. Again, I come back to similar word or synonym. Suppose complicated. Complicated is an adjective. Complicated means complicated is an adjective. Complex is an adjective. You will have to make sentence with complex. The sentence may be, this is a complex sentence. This is a complex sentence. He is a complex man, etc. But if you make incorrect sentence, you will deserve no credit. Another word, faithful. Means loyal. Faithful is an adjective. Loyal is an adjective. Faithful, if we make sentence with faithful, he is a faithful servant. The dog is a faithful animal. Loyal. He is loyal to his master. He is loyal to the government, etc. If it is noun, help or assistance. Help or assistance. Assistant is a noun. Help is also a noun. Assistance. You will have to make a sentence with assistance. Assistance means help. If we try to make a sentence with assistance, you will have to try to make a simple sentence with the given word or keyword such as assistance means help, cooperation. If we make sentence with assistance, the sentence may be, I want your assistance. I want your assistance. I am grateful to you for your assistance. If we make sentence with help, I want your help. I want your help. Cooperation. Cooperation. Cooperation is also a noun. Help, assistance, etc. If we make sentence with cooperation, I want your cooperation, I seek your cooperation. Help, I want your help, I seek your help. Assistance, I want your assistance, I am grateful to you for your assistance. So, these sentences you will make, you will have to remember that these sentences you will make must be or will have to be correct and meaningful sentence. Another word, pious. pious. I have told you earlier that in terms of antonym, you must make sentence with the opposite word, such as pious, its opposite word is impious. You will have to make word. Abhor is a verb. Its opposite word is hate, dislike. Both of them are both of them are verbs. In terms of antonym, you will have to make sentences with the opposite word, such as hate or dislike. I hate you or I dislike you. I dislike you for your misbehavior. I hate you for your dishonesty. Both sentences are correct. Another word, conducive. Another word is conducive is an adjective. Its opposite word is harmful or detrimental. Conducive means upakari. Its opposite word is harmful or detrimental. Harmful, smoking is harmful to health, or polluted water is detrimental to health. Polluted water is detrimental to health. That means noun will be noun if the keyword is noun, its opposite word or similar word must be noun. Noun cannot be verb, adjective or adverb, or adverb cannot be, must not be adjective or noun. Such as beautiful, nice, pretty, handsome, etc. Beautiful is an adjective. Its similar word is nice, pretty, or handsome, etc. If you try to make the given sentence, if you try to make a sentence with the given word, here beautiful is the given word. You will have to make a sentence beautiful. Bangladesh is a beautiful country. Or if it does not refer with what word, you will have to make a sentence, then it depends on you. You can make a sentence beautiful or nice, pretty or handsome. If you try to make a sentence nice, she is a nice girl, she is a pretty girl, the boy is handsome, the young man is handsome, etc. Criminal is a noun. Criminal means guilty. Criminal is a noun. Its similar word is guilty. He is a criminal. He is guilty. He is a criminal or he is guilty. Both sentences are correct. Now I will start teaching suffix or prefix. Suffix or prefix. If you add with the main word some letters, it will be prefix, or if you add at the end of the word, it will be suffix. Suppose large. Its prefix is enlarge. Large means big, or enlarge means broaden or widen. Broaden or widen. If you try to make a sentence with enlarge, the sentence may be enlarge your mind, enlarge the sentence, etc. Broaden, widen. Its similar word is broaden, widen, etc. If we try to make a sentence with prefix such as